Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is the finale of my January 2022 sheetload of cards. I'm making thank you cards, 9 cards, using this sketch from Call Me Crafty Al, Alicia. I will be putting her link down in my description box so you can get this printable if you're a subscriber. All right, we left off. I had finished one card. I didn't put anything in the inside though, which I will do that. And then we're putting together the rest of the cards and decorating. I have some enamel dots, but I also have Nuvo drops. So we'll see how it goes when we get there. At this point, my phone camera had a mind of its own and decided to switch over to slow mode. So I'm doing the voiceover because I had to speed this up 4 times. I'm just showing you the pieces I'm going to be using. And I'm setting my clock now for 10 minutes. The dimensionals I just showed you are from Amazon. I will be putting a link down in the description box for that. And I had the first card completely done, and so now I start working on the second card. The front's completely done. I still need to decorate. So I'm putting on my butterfly sentiment piece. I will also link Alicia's video that has the file for those in the description box. Both her sheetload sketch and this file. I'll put those two down in the description box for you if you're a subscriber to hers. I'm mixing and matching the different colors. We've got flowers, we've got the beautiful background pattern, the tranquil tide flowers, as well as the small white on mint macaron flowers. And as you can see, the pattern paper lips over just a bit, so I'm going to cut that off to make a nice even piece there. I love how it goes end to end. So I'm doing this is in Rococo Rose. Both the butterfly stamp and the flowers are cut out of Rococo Rose cardstock. I'm popping that up with my smaller dimensional. Now, the smaller ones are a little bit higher in dimension than the bigger ones. And you'll see that if you get a set from Amazon. They're relatively inexpensive. I think I paid $8 for 4 cards of the bigger dots and 4 cards of the smaller ones. So I'm just continuing to put on the different pieces here. And I'm completing each card at once. I'm putting all the pieces on and the sentiment and the flower all at once. The mat I'm using, the white mat that you see with the flowers, the black rose, this is from Altenew, and it's a really nice little thin white mat. So I have both it and the black mat. Okay, we're down to the last few. And that's when my phone storage decided to poop out on me. And you will see that. I'm cutting this down again. I think there was just a couple of pieces like that. I think this piece is really pretty. I'm kind of glad that I ended up using that one. Okay, we are getting to the end of this segment and going back to the regular scheduled program. Okay, I probably could have done this a little bit more assembly line fashion. Either or. Okay, we're almost out. Yep, that's what I thought. So let's snap this one in place real quick. And voila, there we go. Here are my finished cards. The outside is completely done. The inside is stamped. And all we need to do is decorate with this little flower in here and some Nuvo drops out here. I'll be either using my Dragon Scales Nuvo drops or these enamel dots from one of my Club EP kits. So stay tuned for that. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.